My screen is visible for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What was the last class topic we have discussed?
Quicksort.
Quicksort, ma'am.
Quicksort. What is the principle of quicksort? What is the principle of quicksort? Can anybody tell me?
Divide and conquer.
Divide and conquer strategy. Quicksort is also applying divide and conquer strategy. What is that divide and conquer strategy? How the design and conquer strategy is being applied? In merge sort, based on the mid position, the divided the given array is sort divided into two positions, isn't it? Begin to mid and mid
Yes,
plus one to
ma'am.
mid plus one to high. It is the case as in the case of your merge sort. But in the case of your quick sort, based on the pivot value, based on the position of your pivot, you are dividing the array into
Two parts.
two parts. Two arrays. What are the two arrays? How in order to calculate the location of your pivot position, we are using the partition algorithm. The partition algorithm gives you the position of the pivot element. Call that position as the location. Then you are dividing the given array into from begin to location minus one as one array, and location plus one to
End.
end another array. Have we traced out the algorithm in yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So in
ma'am.
order to calculate your location value, we are taking and again some variables. The left points to the begin, right points to the end, and location is also pointing to the begin, isn't it? If until unless array of your location value is less than or equal to right, you need to decrement the right value. Once your array of location is greater than the array of your right, you need to swap the array of location with array of right. Is it the case or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you need to swap, you need to change the location to right, and once again you need to compare the array of location with array of left. The array of left should be always less than or equal to array of your location. If array of left is less than array of location, you need to increment the left value. Once the array of left becomes greater than array of location, you need to exchange the values of array of left and array of location, and you need to change the location value to the left. This has to happen until location not is equal to right, or until location not is equal to left. Whenever the location equals to left, or whenever the location equals to right, you have found out the position for you have found the position for pivot element. That location has to be returned for this partition algorithm. Based on that location, the array has to be divided into two parts, that is begin to location minus one and location plus one to end. Is it the case or not? Have you seen that algorithm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes,
okay for
ma'am.
all of you how the quicksort is working? Have you traced it out or not in yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ట్రేస్ అవుట్ చేయకపోతే నేనేం చేయలేనమ్మా. అల్టిమేట్ గా ట్రేస్ చేస్తేనే మీకు అర్థమవుతాయి స్టెప్స్. అసలు ఇంత బాగా స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ అసలు ఎవరు చూపించరు ప్రతి స్టెప్ కూడా. ఓకేనా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
we are dealing about another kind of sorting algorithm, that is the selection sort. What is another sorting algorithm now we are going to discuss?
Selection sort.
Now we are going to discuss about the selection sort. So here the selection sort is also very much similar to that of your bubble sort. In the case of your bubble sort, what we are doing, the adjacent elements are being compared, and at each and every pass the highest element is placed in its position. In the first pass, the highest element is placed in a of n minus 1. In the second pass, the next highest element is placed in a of n minus 2. In the third pass, the next highest element is placed in a of n minus 1. That means from the last positions it is going to fill up the array in the sorted manner. Is it the case with your insertion with your bubble sort or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ఏమా బబుల్ సార్ట్ చూసారా అందరూ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. నాకు ఇంకా మీరందరూ
Yes, ma'am.
అందరి నుంచి నా సమాధానం రావట్లా. ఇంకా అందరూ కూడా జాయిన్ అవ్వట్ల క్లాస్ లో. రిమైనింగ్ 10 మెంబర్స్ ఏం చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు? వినకుండా క్లాసులు. Ask them to join quickly. Okay. So in the case of your bubble sort, the array is sorted from the left hand side position. The first highest element is placed in the last index. The next highest element is placed in the next index. Likewise, it is sorting from the highest element. It is placing the highest element in its position first. That is the working principle of your bubble sort. Is it the case or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the case of your selection sort, what you are doing is you are filling the sorted array from the right hand side position, from the left hand side position. That is, first you are filling the least element into the A of 0 first in the first pass. In the next pass, you are going to place the next least element, next highest element in the A of 1. Next, you are going to fill up A of 2 with the next highest element. Likewise, you are filling the array from the right hand side position in the sorted manner in the case of your selection sort. That is the working principle of your selection sort. Did you understand how the selection sort is working?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the case of your selection sort, in the pass 1, A of 0 will be filled with the smallest value. In the second pass, A of 1 is going to be filled with the next value, next highest value. In the next pass, next A of 2 will be filled with the next highest value. Likewise, we are sorting. We are placing the array into the sorted manner starting from left hand side. As in the case of your bubble sort, you will place the sorted array from the right hand side. You are placing A of n minus 1 first. The highest element first, next highest element first, next highest element first in each and every passes. But in the case of your selection sort, you are placing the smallest element in the A of 0, next highest element in the A of 1, next highest element in the A of 2. Likewise, you are placing the elements from the right hand side array. Smallest elements will be from smaller to higher, it is filling the array in the sorted order. Whereas in the case of your bubble sort, you are filling the highest to smallest values in the sorted array in your bubble sort. Did you understand the principle or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, చూడండి, in pass 1, we are finding the position for the smallest value. The smallest value will be placed in
Array of 0.
array of 0. ఆ smallest value ఎక్కడుంది? Let us call the smallest value as position.
Position.
Now you need to swap ARR of position with ARR of 0. Actually, the smallest value ARR of 0 లో ఉండాలి కదా.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But in the given array, let us call the smallest value existed in ARR of position. Now what you need to do? You need to exchange ARR of position with ARR of
Array of 0.
0. అదే విధంగా నెక్స్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ కూడా ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి? ARR of 0 అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ కోసం ఎక్కడి నుంచి సెర్చ్ చేసుకోవాలి? 1 to n minus 1 వరకు ఎనఫ్ కదా. ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడ వరకు? 1 to n minus 1 వరకు ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ లో స్మాలెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఏంటో తీసుకొని let us call the smallest value position as POS, and you need to interchange A of 1 with A of position. అర్థమైందో చెప్పింది?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
ఈసారి నెక్స్ట్ స్మాలెస్ట్ వాల్యూ కోసం ఎక్కడి నుంచి కంపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి? అరే ఆఫ్ 2 నుంచి n minus 1 వరకు కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే చాలు కదా.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you need to calculate the smallest value from array of 2 to array of n minus 1. Let us call the index at which that smallest value existed as position. Now you need to swap array of 2 with array of position, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the case. That is the case how the selection sort is working. If you understand this process, it's okay for you. The selection sort is over. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll see with the smallest example. Then you can clearly understand how this selection sort is working. See here, this is your given array. What is your array? 39, 9, 81, 45, 90, 27, 72, 80. Totally, how many elements are there? 8 elements are there, which are stored from array of 0 to array of 7. Is it the case or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so in the first pass, what you need to do is You need to store a of 0. A of 0 ని యాక్చువల్ వాల్యూ తోటి ఫిల్అప్ చేయాలి, స్మాలెస్ట్ వాల్యూ తోటి ఫిల్అప్ చేయాలి. In order to fill a of 0 with the smallest value, you need to consider from 0 to n minus 1 what is the smallest element. Initially, you need to consider the smallest element as a of 0 itself. What is a of 0?
39.
39. Next it has to be compared with the next index. What is the next index? A of 1. Is a of 1 is smaller than 39 or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now small location becomes 1.
Nine.
1 location.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
Location 1 element value
9.
9. అలా ఏం స్మాలెస్ట్ కంపేర్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ ని నేను టచ్ చేసుకుంటా అంటాలి. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్? 9. 9 హ్యాస్ టు బి కంపేర్డ్ విత్ నెక్స్ట్. వాట్ ఈస్ నెక్స్ట్?
81.
81. Is it smaller?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now 45 is smaller than 9.
No, ma'am.
90 is smaller than 9.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
27,
No,
72,
ma'am.
18.
No, ma'am. No,
Initially the smallest is 39. Position location is 0. Next you need to compare the rest of elements with the smallest element. If it is less than the smallest, you need to change the smallest to that one element, and the index has also been changed. You need to compare with the next one. What is the next element? 9. Is 9 less than smallest or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the smallest becomes 9 and the location becomes 1. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
అంటే ప్రతి స్టెప్ లో కూడా ఈ అరేలో స్మాలెస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ని తీసుకోవడం కోసం ఆ పొజిషన్ నుంచి ఫస్ట్ 0th పొజిషన్ నుంచి తీసుకుంటాం. 0th ఎలిమెంట్ ని స్మాలెస్ట్ అనుకుంటాము. ద పొజిషన్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ as 0. It has to be compared with the rest of the elements. If the rest of the elements are smaller than the smallest element, the smallest element becomes the current element and the location has also been swapped. Do you understand how it is working?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is the smallest element in the first part?
9.
9.
Ma'am.
What is the location at which the smallest element has been found?
1.
1.
1. That means you need to swap a of 0 with a of 1, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Avuna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After swapping that a of 0 with a of 1, what does the array becomes? 9, 39, 81, 45, 90, 27, 72 and 18. Is it the case or not?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the first part clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
So at the second part, already you know the first element is in its position. A of 0 consisting of the smallest element. You need not worry about the a of 0. You need to do the process with a of 1 from a of 1 to
N minus 1.
a of n minus 1. Okay na.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
నెక్స్ట్ దీని గురించి ఇంకా మీరు పట్టించుకోని అవసరం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు మీ అరే ఇది అనుకోండి, ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడ వరకు 18, 81,
81,
45, 90, 27,
27,
72 and 39. Again repeat the same principle. Smallest has to be taken as 18.
Yes, ma'am.
Location has to be taken as 1 initially. ఈ స్టెప్ లో స్మాలెస్ట్ ప్రతిసారి మనం కన్సిడర్ చేసుకునే అరేలో ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ని స్మాలెస్ట్ అనుకుంటున్నాము, and this has to be compared with the rest of the elements. What is the smallest element now?
18.
18. What is the location?
1.
1
What
only,
is the
ma'am.
location? 1. If it is the smallest element across the path or not, you need to compare with the rest of the elements. What is the next element? A of 2.
81.
Is it less than the,
81.
is it less than the smallest?
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am.
45 is less than the smallest.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
90 is less than the smallest.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
27, 27,
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
72,
No, ma'am.
39.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So what is your smallest element? 18 and the location
18.
is
1.
1.
1, ma'am.
A of 1 ని A of 1 తోనే స్వాప్ చేయాలి అవసరం లేదు కదా. Actually it is in its correct position. So no need to swap any element here in this path. Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So after the second pass, what are the elements? 9, 18, 81, 45, 90, 27, 72 and
39.
39. So after the second pass, A of 0 and A of 1 is in sorted array. This is unsorted array. Avuna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is unsorted array? 81, 45, 90,
45,
27,
90, 27, 72, 39.
39 is the unsorted array. Next, ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకోవాలి? What is your smallest element has to be taken as?
81.
81 initially. Location.
A of 2.
2, ma'am.
Location 2, smallest A of 2. What is A of 2? 81.
81.
ఏం అర్థమవుతుందా తల్లి? కొంచెం వినండి అటెంటివ్ గా, పక్కనే వాళ్ళు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ స్మాలెస్ట్?
81.
81. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ లొకేషన్?
2, ma'am.
2, ma'am.
Next, that has to be compared with the rest of the elements. What is the next element?
45.
45.
45. 45 is less than 81?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now the
Ma'am.
smallest becomes
45.
45. Location becomes 3.
3.
3.
Avuna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next element?
90.
90. 90 is less than 45.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Next 27 is less than 45.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is your smallest?
27.
27. What is your location?
5,
A
ma'am.
of 2.
5. 2
5,
na?
ma'am.
2 మార్చాలి కదా ఇప్పుడు. Now the location becomes
5.
5. Smallest becomes
27.
27.
27.
Next element.
72, ma'am.
72 is less than 27.
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
39 is less than 27.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So what is your smallest?
27, ma'am.
27 is the smallest. What is the location?
5, ma'am.
5.
5.
So 8 weight ని స్వాప్ చేయాలి సార్. A of 3 ని A of 5 ని స్వాప్ చేయాలి. అవునా?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
of 2 ని third element అంటే. Now what is A of 2? 81 has to be swapped with
21.
27.
27.
Now A of 2
27.
becomes 27 and A of 5 becomes.
81.
81.
So in the next pass, third pass లోకి వచ్చేసరికి 5, 9, 18, 27 are in sorted positions. What is unsorted array? 45,
45,
90,
90,
81, 72
13.
and 39 are in the unsorted positions.
Unsorted array.
Okay na. Now during the
Yes,
next pass, the smallest element has to be taken as initially
45.
45
ma'am.
and location has to be taken as
3.
3.
3.
అమ్మా మిగతా వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా మాట్లాడండి. ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు తప్పితే ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినా మళ్ళీ అర్థం కాదని గుర్తుంటా ఉంటారు. క్లాస్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉంటా ఉంటారు. వాట్ ఈస్ ఇనిషియలీ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్ పార్ట్? ఇన్ దిస్
45, ma'am.
45.
వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ లొకేషన్?
3, ma'am.
3 initial. It has to be compared with the rest of the elements. What is the next element?
90.
90.
Is 90 less than 45?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
81 less than 45?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
72?
No, ma'am.
No.
39?
ma'am.
39? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So now the smallest becomes 39 and location becomes 7.
7.
7. You need to swap A of 3 with A of 7, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So after swapping, what does the array become? So 7, 9, 18, 27, 39. This becomes the sorted array. What is unsorted array there?
90,
90,
81,
81, 72 and 45.
41.
Okay, na.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 So in the next path, initially what you need to take as the smallest?
90, ma'am.
90. What is your location of the smallest at?
4.
4 initially. It needs to be compared with the next element. What is the next element?
81, ma'am.
81.
Is it less? Is it small?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
the smallest becomes
81.
81. Location becomes
5, ma'am.
5, ma'am.
next. It has to be compared with the next. What is the next element?
72.
Ma'am.
Is it less?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the smallest becomes
72,
72.
ma'am.
72.
location becomes
6, ma'am.
6.
6, ma'am.
It has to be compared with the next. What is the next?
45.
45. Is 45 is less than smallest?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the smallest becomes.
45.
45.
Location becomes.
7.
7.
Now you need to swap A of 4 with
A of 7.
7.
A of 7. After swapping, what is the array? 9, 18, 27, 39, 45. Up to these are
Sorted, ma'am.
sorted part.
Sorted array.
What is your unsorted array? 81,
81,
72, 90 are in the unsorted array.
Unsorted.
Now you need to swap A of 5 with some location. Location of the smallest element. ఆ smallest element ఎక్కడ ఉందో మీరు సెర్చ్ చేసుకొని దాంట్లో స్వాప్ చేసుకోవాలి. అవునా?
Yes, ma'am.
So initially the smallest is 81 itself and the location is 5 itself. It has to be compared with 72. Is it 72 is less than 81?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now the smallest becomes
Yes,
72
ma'am.
and the location becomes 6.
6.
Is 90 less than 72?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So that's why smallest is 72 and the location is 6. You need to swap A of 5 with
A of 6.
A of
6. Now the array becomes 8, 9, 27, 39, 45 and 72. What is the rest of the unsorted array?
81, 90.
81, 90.
Initially the smallest is 81.
81.
Location is
6.
6.
A
This needs to be compared with the next element. Is 90 less than 6?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
కాబట్టి the smallest becomes 81. You need to swap A of 6 లోనే ఉంది కాబట్టి location no swap is required. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So only the one more element is left. No need for doing that one. Did you understand how the selection sort is working? It's simple principle.
Yes,
It's the thing.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
How that swapping is done?
Yes, ma'am.
How that procedure is being done? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
ఏమ్మా ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు తప్పితే మాట్లాడటం రాదా? నేను ప్రతి పాస్ చెప్తున్నాను కదా ఓపిక్గా. నాకు అవసరం ప్రతి పాస్ ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం నాకు లేదు. అయినా నేను చెప్తున్నాను కదా. కనీసం మరి మీకు అర్థమైందన్న మాట కూడా చెప్పడానికి ఏమైంది మీకు? ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే ఫర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ఇంకా రావు సమాధానాలు. ఎన్నిసార్లు మొత్తుకున్నా. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ జస్ట్ రైజ్ అప్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్ so that I can know you are attentive or not to my class. Just raise your hands, all of you please. I can see whether you are attentive or not. Some of the persons A9, 87, 81, B5, all of them are just turning on the system and they have left somewhere. I think so. They have not raised the hands. They are not listening to my class. Some 10 to 20 members are there. B4, A3, are you there? A1, B9, A3, B1, 92, 83, all of you are not listening to the class, I think so. Then what is the purpose of just turning on the system? For whom you are turning on the systems? A9, 87, are you there or not? Out of 54, you can also see only the 44 members have raised the hands. The rest of the 4 members just turn on the system and they have left somewhere else to their own work. ఏమ్మా ఎవరి కోసం అమ్మా టర్న్ ఆన్ చేసి పెట్టి వెళ్ళిపోయేది? నా కోసమా? నాకు అవసరం లేదు కదా క్లాస్, నాకు వచ్చు. And tell the remaining persons who didn't answer my class that it's not for my purpose. మీకా కనిపిస్తుందిగా? రిమైనింగ్ వాళ్ళు చూస్తున్నారా? అమ్మా కనీసం విన్న వాళ్ళు చూస్తున్నారా? మిగతా వాళ్ళు చేతులు ఎత్తట్లేదు. ఇన్నిసార్లు అడుగుతా ఉన్నా. వినిపిస్తుందా మీ అందరికి?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Some
ma'am.
14 members are not there, not listening, not following to the class. Just inform them that it's not the way how they should behave in the class. It's not for the purpose of lecturers to just turn on the systems. It's for their future to listen to the class. Just inform them immediately in the class, immediately in the groups. And you also don't repeat the same case. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So another example we have done. In the initial iteration, initially the smallest has to be taken as A of 0. What is A of 0?
15.
15.
15, ma'am.
It has to be compared with the rest of the elements. Which one is less? That has to be placed in A of 0. Is it the case or not?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next element? Is 20 greater than 15?
No, ma'am.
No. Yes, sir.
No, ma'am.
10 greater
No,
than
ma'am.
15? 10 less than 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the smallest becomes 10 and the location becomes 2 now, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next 30. Is 30 less than 10?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Is 50 less than 10?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Is 80 less than 10?
No, ma'am.
No,
5
ma'am.
is 5 less than 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the smallest becomes
5,
Five.
ma'am.
5. The smallest becomes 5 and the location
Five.
becomes
7.
7. You need to
Seven.
swap A of 7 with A of 0. Okay now.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here the 5 will become the first one. The next all the rest of the array will be the next things. ఏమో దీంట్లో కొంచెం తప్పు ఉంది. ఈ రెండింటిని స్వాప్ చేయం కదా, 10 ని 15 ని స్వాప్ చేయం కదా.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
చెయ్యం కదా. You need to compare smallest
Yes, ma'am.
వచ్చేంత వరకు చేసి smallest. So this one is I think wrong. I will place another PPT. Okay, did you understand how it is working?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the case. Did you understand the principle of selection sort now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am.
Okay. And you yourself take this array and try to solve it.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you take this array and try to solve in each and every pass. Please do it fastly. అమ్మ క్లాస్ వినేవాళ్ళు రండి, క్లాస్ విన్నోళ్ళు రావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, పక్కన పడేసి వెళ్ళిపోయే వాళ్ళు అవసరం లేదు. ఎవరి కోసం అమ్మ వచ్చేది? Please write up this array and try to trace out the algorithm of selection sort in each and every iteration how it is doing. Be fast. 5 minutes లో చేసి చూపించాలి నాకు అందరూ. అర్థమైనట్టేనా అందరికి? Did you understand all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So try to do in each and every pass. In the first pass, what is smallest initially?
15, ma'am.
A of 0 వేరియబుల్ వాల్యూస్ తో చేయాలి. మీరు అది మిస్ చేస్తున్నారు, నేను అందరూ కూడా పంపించినప్పుడు ఏం చేసుకుంటున్నారు? ఇనిషియల్ పాస్ లో స్మాలెస్ట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి టేకెన్ యాజ్
A of 0.
A of 0. It has to be compared with all the rest of the elements, and where the smallest becomes, that two elements have to be swapped. A of 0 with the smallest. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In the next pass, A of 1 has to be taken as smallest, and the rest of the elements has to be compared with A of 1. At which position the smallest element comes, that position has to be swapped with A of 1. That likewise you need to explain the algorithm. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So try to do that. Be fast. Are you trying or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Be fast. Within 5 minutes,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
try to complete that. Are you doing all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Be fast. Be fast. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి అమ్మా. Do you have any doubt regarding selection sort? Any one of you?
No, ma'am.
So please do that problem. Be fast. చేసుకున్నారు గారే?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So do that fastly. May not take much more 5 minutes. Much more than 5 minutes. Over all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you please respond. Are you doing or you are doing? Do you require some more time? Have you completed?
Completed, ma'am.
All of you.
Completed, ma'am.
ఇంకా మిగతా వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడరు ఏంటమ్మా, నాకు అర్థం కాదు. ఏ రోజు వచ్చిన నలుగురు ఐదుగురు వస్తారు, ఇట్లయితే నాకు చాలా చిరాకు అనిపిస్తుంది క్లాసు. మిగతా వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడరా?
Completed, ma'am.
ఓకే,
Completed, ma'am.
కంప్లీట్ అయిన వాళ్ళందరూ చెప్పండి ఇమీడియట్ గా. ఈసారి మీటింగ్ క్లోజ్ చేసి
ma'am.
2 minutes time. I will give another 2 minutes time. Completed?
Completed, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you understand that selection sort procedure now?
Yes, ma'am.
So shall we move on for the last type of sorting algorithm which has been given for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The last algorithm is radix sort. What is the last kind of sorting algorithm?
Radix.
Radix sort. Here, in the case of your radix sort, the radix sort algorithm will sort the given elements based on the digit by digit positions. That means, in the first pass, the least significant bit. Did you mean what is the meaning of LSB bit position and MSB bit position? 1, 2, 6, 8 ఇచ్చాను అనుకోండి. What is LSB?
1.
1, 2, 6, 8 is there. What is LSB? 8 is LSB. 1 is MSB. The least significant digit is at the right hand side. The last digit ఏమంటాం? ఇటు సైడ్ వచ్చేదాన్ని లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ డిజిట్ అంటాము. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చే డిజిట్ ఏమంటాము? మోస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ డిజిట్. ఏం అవి కూడా తెలియదా కనీసం? మ్యాథ్స్ లో నేర్చుకుని రాలేదా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ ఐ టేక్ ద నెంబర్ 1, 2, 6, 8. వాట్ ఈస్ మై నెంబర్?
1, 2, 6,
1, 2, 6, 8.
1, 2, 6, 8 is the case. 8 has to be considered as the least significant digit. 1 has to be considered as
Most
significant digit. ఇటు సైడ్ ఉన్నదాన్ని మోస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ డిజిట్ అంటాము. రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఉన్నదాన్ని
Least
లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ డిజిట్ అంటాము. ఓకేనా?
Yes, ma'am.
In each and every pass, the numbers are sorted based on digit by digit. Starting from LSB bit position. LSB bit లో ఏవైతే డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ డిజిట్స్ ని బట్టి సార్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తాను. ఏ నెంబర్ లో అయితే LSB బిట్ లీస్ట్ గా ఉందో ఆ నెంబర్ ని ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ చేస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ లీస్ట్ గా ఉన్న నెంబర్స్ ని నెక్స్ట్ ప్లేస్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తాను. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ పాస్. ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ పాస్, I will sort the elements